Here's a certified 2017 INFINITI Q50. The Q50 will stir your emotions and appeal to your every sense with a feeling that says you have arrived. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic GPS linked and transmission, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Edmunds.com highlights its many standard high-tech electronic and safety features. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. Infiniti is you, amplified. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.